Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 29 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. We are nearly there, people. So today we have two seated balances, Padschimotanasan and Urdhva Mukha Passchimotanasan to go through with our usual pieces of bread for the sandwich, the suryas and the three lotuses. So let's get started. We'll begin from a base of your choice, as always. Take a few moments to feel grounded as you connect with the breath. Remembering your anchors of Ashtanga practice, Dristi, Bandha, Ujjayi breath as we begin with the opening chant. Take a breath in. Om. Bande Gurunam Charna Ravinde Samdasht Satsva Sapara Bodhe Neshte se Jankai Kaimani Samsala Hala Muha Shantiye Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim. Om. Coming to Samastiti, seated, all fours or standing, Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Remember, you can bend your knees. Trini, inhale. Chaturvare, exhale. Lower the body. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Sha, exhale. Downward dog. One. So just easing in, lifting, lowering the heels. You know the drill now. Two. If you're seated, just let go of the head. Three. If you're on all fours, just let go of the head. Four. You might begin to stretch back in your downward dog if you're in downward dog. And five. Look forward. Sukta, inhale, step double jump. Ashtal, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samastiti, Surya Namaskar B. Ekam, sit back. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lift the chest. Chaturvare, exhale, Chaturanga, knees down is fine. Ansha, inhale, lift. Sha, exhale, dog. Right leg. Supta, inhale, keep the hips level. Ashta, exhale and lower. Nava, inhale. Desha, exhale, downward dog. Left leg. Eka, desha, inhale, keep the knee bent. Dve disha, exhale and lower. Trayo disha, inhale. Chatvar disha, exhale. One. Settle into breath and into body. Two. Choose the best option where you can breathe freely. Three. Establish your dristi. Four. And five. Look forwards up onto the toes. Ansha, Disha, come through. So, Disha, hold. Supta, Disha, bend and lift. Exhale, Samastiti. So we've got vinyasa to our first seated balance. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, step jog or jump through to seated. So I'll show you some options for Padschimotanasan. Traditionally, you would lay all the way down and then roll up to this. Now, this might not be suitable for your back. If it is, you can take hold of the back of the knees and just practice rolling up and down that way. Okay, otherwise you can start from seated. If you can take your legs all the way back, you can take hold of your toes and then roll up to seated from there. Don't strain your back. If that's a big asana, don't do it. So I'll show you the balance from this stage. Enter in. 1. So from this stage, you can sit tall, take the back of the knees, lift the chest. Mind your breath. 2. It might be you can lean back slightly, keep hold of the bandhas and take hold of the toes. It might not be. You might take hold of the back of the knees. 3, you can double finger leave the big toes with the first 2 fingers and the thumbs. You might begin to straighten out or not. 4, it might be you begin to straighten out and you've already rolled back. It's okay, just enjoy the ride and come back through again. That's kind of pretty usual for this balance. If you can straighten out, you lift your chest, draw your shoulders down. That's it, lift, 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 draw your shoulders down, lift the gaze to the toes. 4.5, wherever you got to, stay happy. And 5, inhale, look up. Exhale, release. So you can just cross at the ankles to take your vinyasa or staying seated. So stepping back, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And now we have Urdhva Mukha, Passchimotanasan, very similar. So you might exhale, lay down. Now from here again, you have the option to rock up, taking the back of the knees. You just repeat that. If you can take the legs over the head, no issues with doing inversions. This time you take the outside of the feet and then see if you can rock up from there or not. You might need to rock a few times. That's okay. It's all part of the practice. So from here, enter in. 1, squeeze the pelvic floor. Now this time you've got the outside of the feet. That's it. Option 1. 2, if that's not doable, you've got the back of the knees. You can take the outside, you might be able to lift up and balance. Good. Now try 3 to draw your belly in towards the thighs. You kind of hug everything in as you begin to straighten from there. Good. If you lose your balance, roll back. Stay happy, come back in. I've rolled back many times, all right. 4, if you can easily straighten, then you hug your elbows in, point the toes and look up towards the toes. 4.5, still breathing. Good, here is fine. Good, just look towards the toes. And 5, if you're in the full version, inhale, you look up. So you straighten the arms to lift the head back. Exhale, release, cross the opposite ankle over. Keep switching those legs or do a seated vinyasa. Stepping or jumping back, exhale. Inhale to lift. Exhale to go. Inhale, come through. And here we are at the lotuses. Yay! Remember your options. Baddha Padmasana, inhale, exhale, entering. 1, 2. Ujjayi breathing. 3, breath with sound. 4, helps you to stay focused. 5, which is the 6th limb of yoga, dharana. 6, Nasabrai Dristi. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, squeeze Mula Bandha, lift up. Exhale, Padmasana, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, drop the chin. 1, 2. So maintaining this frame with as little effort as possible. 3, holding on to those bandhas, just like the chin drop. 4, 5, make the chest a big vehicle for breath. 6, remember your butterfly wing, your straight lines of energy. Good. 7, keep your focus, keep your dristi. 8, 9, 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Hands to the side of the hips, Mukha. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. Look forward. 2. Good. Squeeze. 3. You can do it. Pretend you're enjoying yourself. 4. 5. Hollow body. Squeeze everything in. Good. 6. Nearly there. If you come down, try and go back up. 7. If you're grounded, it's okay. 8. Just engage. 9. And 10. Exhale, bring it down. Good job. Ease out the wrists. We're going to our final vinyasa to freedom. You can do it from seated, or you can take the legs back. You can bring the knees down, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Make your way down for Shavasana. Open the palms, swap your ankles. Take a big inhale. Exhale. And again, big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. You can go Bandha, Dristi, Ujjayi, and the count. Remember, the strongest trees in the forest grow the slowest. This is from my teacher, David Svensson. Bear that in mind as you rest. This is a lifelong practice. Take your time. Be happy. You can spare the time. I'd encourage you to stay a bit longer. Otherwise, bringing awareness to the breath. Deepen the breath as you move the fingers and toes, moving the head from side to side. And then take a nice long inhale, full body stretch. And exhale. Bending at the knees and the elbows, draw the knees in for a squeeze and a rock until you can roll over to one side. Pause for a moment. Cultivate a seed of gratitude. And then inhale, making your way back up. You're comfortable seated, sit tall, lengthen the spine. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Gently bow the gaze as we give thanks for our health and our practice. And inhale, lift the prayer hands up. And exhale, namaste. Well done. We got one day left. I hope you're going to join me. You've made it. You've made it through this month. You've made it through the 30 days. Well done to you. So take care and I'll see you soon.